Decisions are important, and especially vital are decisions that relate to how you will develop, run, and execute on your company's strategy. It's with this in mind that we want to ensure that you have all of the information you need when deciding on why and how to implement the Strategy in Action program and platform for your business. Our Strategy in Action case studies provide you with an extensive, detailed and informative overview of how companies have used the SIA program to maximize their potential and take their business to the next level. The case studies are available to download for free right now on our website. Each case study walks you step by step through who the company are and the pains they were looking to solve through SIA, the internal team involved and how they were engaged, a detailed timeline of the process, including the platform, workshops, and coaching delivered, key outputs achieved and how these contributed to organisational achievements, and the strategy refresh and next steps to ensure continued success. Ultimately, you will be able to see firsthand how Strategy in Action helps to deliver company success in the short, medium, and long term. To download your free case study today, just visit our website and download it directly. If you would like us to send you the case study directly and learn more about the Strategy in Action program, just contact us and we will be more than happy to answer all of your questions.